The HiCAD solution for vehicle and trailer construction. Workshop drawing creation. In this short video, I would like to show you how easy it is to make workshop drawings. We will create workshop drawings for this assembly of the model drawing. With one mouse click, we open the prefabricated workshop drawing of the selected assembly. After opening it, we start the function for creating workshop drawings, which is called drawing derivation. Within the menu, I can load my own favorite for creating workshop drawings. Here, we start with steel plates. We click OK, and the workshop drawing is generated. We switch to the View window to take a look at the workshop drawings. Here, we see that a workshop drawing has been created for the steel plate. This drawing contains both dimensions and annotations. We see, for example, an annotation for the holes, that is, 5 × 16 millimeters. We also see the item number of the plate in the annotation. We switch back to the assembly to be able to generate workshop drawings for other types of parts. For this, we use the same function, but load a different favorite. We now load the favorite for the sheet metal parts. Then, we open the derived drawing. Here, we see that a drawing has been created for the sheet metal part. This drawing contains several views, including a development, a sectional view, and an axonometric view of the part. The development has been dimensioned. In addition, the bend line has also been annotated and dimensioned. The bend line is indicated by the red dotted line. We switch back to the assembly. Finally, I would like to create drawings for the profiles. A favorite has also been created for this. We open the drawing we just created. We see that drawings have been created for all profiles. Several profiles have been created on 2 drawing frames, but it is also possible to create each profile separately on its own drawing frame. But I decided against this. The small hollow profile is fully visible and provided with the necessary dimensions. Larger, unprocessed profiles can be shown with a shortened view, recognizable by the blue zigzag line. In addition, the sawing angles are clearly shown in the drawing. Another example is this profile cut on both sides.